Hello, citizens of Lebanon. Are you happy with what country you have created? While you continuously nag of the extent of corruption in the country, you as the people of Lebanon are responsible for the execution of corruption. It will not fade away and die by itself. On the contrary, it will grow. We are a secret order. Our goals are the awakening of the Lebanese people and the retrieval of responsibility of the people towards rebuilding our homeland. We call for awakening, we call for action, we call for radical reform, we call for the revival of the People's Front of Resistance, of liberation, of independence, and of freedom. We call for the People's Revolution, and we will get it. We are anonymous. We are legion. We do not forgive. We do not forget. Expect us.